So the Bank of Zambia just announced that they have reduced the monetary policy rate by 75 basis points. What is monetary policy rate? What are basis points? And why is this information important for you? Let's talk about money. So the monetary policy rate is the interest which the Bank of Zambia charges commercial banks. You can think of it as the wholesale price for money. Basis points are tiny measurements of interest rate. In this case, the monetary policy rate before the adjustments was 14.25%, and currently the monetary policy rate is at 13.5%. When you subtract 13.5 from 14.25, what you get is 0.75, and 0.75% is 75 basis points. So what does this mean for you as an investor or simply as a Zambian citizen? Seti par, holding all things constant, this means that they're predicting that inflation is likely to continue reducing or to remain stable. Reduction in inflation does not mean that prices will reduce, it just means that prices will increase just at a slower rate. The other thing that this could possibly mean for you as an individual investor is that you should think of it similar to buying any other goods, services, and commodities. Let's say you are ordering things from a shop at wholesale price. If the wholesaler reduces the price of those commodities, you are also likely to reduce the retail price for those commodities. So if the banks are borrowing money from the Bank of Zambia at a lower rate, at a lower monetary policy rate, it means that they are likely to reduce the interest rate for you as an individual consumer who goes to the bank to borrow money. This means that people will have more access to loanable funds, and this can encourage people to invest because they have more access to loanable funds. It can also encourage people to spend, seeing as they have more disposable income after having paid off a cheaper loan. My name is Esther Piri, and I'm sharing my journey to financial literacy with this online community. Remember that this is intended for educational purposes, and this is not financial advice.